I slept so well. Money is the best blanket. Oh, guess it's time to get out of bed. I slept great. Oof, my hair is pretty tangled. Good thing I've got my comb. Ouch! Be careful, comb. Pull gently. There we go. All better. I'll check the mirror. Yep. Definitely looking good this morning. Wow! You're so pretty! Aw, thanks, Mom! Enjoy your breakfast! This looks great! Breakfast is my favorite meal of the day. Ouch! Wow, that's some tough bread. Guess I'll enjoy my water instead. Ah! I slept so well! Money is the best blanket! Hello? I need some love now. Here. I want some affection. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, come on! Fine. Here's more money. Oh, you're such a good girl. So pretty. Time's up. Seriously? You're kind of the worst mom. Here, is this enough to buy your love? Let's see. Aw, there's my adorable girl. They're a little too yellow. That's more like it. Actually, no. It's the same thing every day. Oh, I know. It's your favorite color. No! How hard is it to find a nice pair of shoes? There must be something in here I can wear. Ugh, nothing. It's all so boring. Oh, hello. I want those shoes. Those ones? Way up there? Go get them. I think I might be too short. I'll be right back. Excuse me.
Careful, lady!
I'll have them in a minute. Whoa! Excellent choice, ma'am. They look great. I love them. Bye. Whoa! I just need my shoes and I can go. Here they are. They're the only pair I have, but I love them. Whoops! Ow! Oh, what happened? They snapped! That's just what I need. What'll I wear now? I'm not sure boots are a good look. Granny's asleep. And she does have nice shoes. Maybe I can borrow them. Nice and quiet. I can't wake her. Got them! The perfect crime. I can't wait to try them on. They're too big. There must be something I can do. Hold on. I've got it! I can use my hair ribbon! Are your shoes too big? We've gotcha! Start by applying a small amount of glue to the inside of the shoe. Then find a ribbon that matches the shoes. Place the end of the ribbon onto the glue. It adds a little style, and they'll fit. Whoa! I love my new shoes! Well, technically they're Granny's. But no one needs to know. Steady. Almost there. Looks like you're struggling. Hey! Get back here! This hair is ready for class! Now, where are those books? Aha! I sure need a lot these days. What am I missing? Where are my pens? I swear I left it around here somewhere. Oh god! Give that back, stupid mouse! I really need those, okay? Ugh! I can't believe this! Hey! An old chip can! I can work with this! Put hot glue along the sides, like this. Then zigzag it. Now turn the can upside down and put glue along the bottom's edge. Don't forget about the middle. A crisscross pattern is good. There! Now turn the whole thing over and take the can out. Stick the top and bottom on. And snag a zipper. Pencil case, anyone? Wow! I sure am crafty when I need to be. Don't want to be late! Ugh. What should I wear? This art project's going well. It feels so romantic and cozy. Is everything okay? No. All my clothes are old and boring. Hey, careful. Oh, this looks good. It does. I'm looking gorgeous. My clothes are so plain. Oh, I know. Maybe there's something in my bag that I can wear. There's not a lot in there. Ugh, that's not gonna do anything. Wait a minute. I could use my love hearts. I think this might work. I'll fold my t-shirt and put it on the table. I'll fold the heart over it and then put it on the t-shirt. I'll trace around it with this chalk. Now I'll pinch it together. I need to keep it nice and tight. This rubber band will hold it in place. Next I need to roll the t-shirt up and wrap it in more rubber bands. I'll pour bleach over the heart section. This will remove the color from the shirt. I'll do the same in every other section. I'll let it soak in and stain the shirt. Then I need to wash it. Wow! Check this out! It looks great! Mwah! Wait. Wow, Mindy, I love your top! It's so stylish! Good night, little one. What a day. Whoa! Ow! This happens every night. I'm covered in bruises. But it's worth it. I'll just go over the other side of the bed. I'll still be able to get some sleep. I hope. Ah, that's more like it. Time to catch up on my beauty sleep. Too cold. Brr, why does she have to do that? Sweetie, can I have some of the blanket? Even if it's this little corner? Huh? What's going on? I can't sleep. I can't get comfortable. Oh, I know. We can use these pillows to cushion the bump. Hopefully this helps. Roll over. This should help. Now let's get some sleep. It's not working. It was worth a try. I know, thanks. Wait, I've got it! Check it out! Ow! Whoa! Look out! Oops. Julie? Talk to me, Julie. Where are you? Are you okay? I'm fine. Just tired. Why do we have all these pillows? Let me see that. Maybe we could use this. It's too small. We need something bigger. I've got it! A giant donut! This will solve everything. Try it out. It's perfect. I'm so happy. Night, honey. Whoa! That'll be another bruise. I'll sleep on the floor. At least I have space.